Hey everyone, Matthew here with Goatz Media, and we're doing another account audit. And today we went on to do a law firm, Fremstead Law here. These guys are an attorney, and we'll kind of go through it here and how we break websites down. The first thing we do is we look through websites to see how their content is in here. You know, they got it mapped to their location here. It looks like they're in Fargo, North Dakota. We go back home here. It's got the law firm, what their services are. So you see that here, which is really nice. It's got the head attorney, who's Joe Fremstead, who is Fremstead Law. And then it's got all their other attorneys, paralegals, everybody listed in here. News events that's going on. So nice chat bot down here too as well. They got their mission statement, our people. So, I mean, this one's a really good website as far as it's laid out, easy to get around. They got a nice blog that's up to date. Looks like they're doing a blog pretty consistently on there, which is going to help organically. They got a contact us page with a map to where they're at. So they obviously have a Google business page, and then here's some news, different careers. So now let's move on to our software that we use here that we can break all these down. And what this does is we can put any domain in here and it'll do a analysis on that web domain, how it's ranking organically, how it's ranking in Google, everything like that. And we always run a competitor. So this is a competitor in that area that we've ran. So if you look here, it gives you a nice snippet of everything at the law firm. They got a 63 score. Their competitor's got a 77, so they're still really low. So there's a lot of room for improvement. So you can see at the targeted keywords where they're ranking here, where their Google ranking is. Obviously, the name of the law firm's ranking #1. So everything's here. You can see where it's ranking here as well. It shows you amount of content, just different things on the blog that's detected. It'll show you this gives you a little snippet. So you can get an idea, backlinks, local pack, local grid, some stuff that's going on. So what we're going to do now is we're going to dive in deep here. So what we do there is we export this out into a PDF file that we can share with the client or the customer, or you as a business owner, that we can come in and we can show you what free marketing house. We do this complimentary, so it doesn't cost anything. Definitely just reach out to us. There'll be a link down there. You can book an appointment or, fill out a form, send in your link. We do a full audit. Doesn't cost you anything. So now what we'll do is we'll dive in to the account here for Fremstead Law. So there's the law firm. We'll go in here and you can see the different things that it goes in, where their local grid is, how they're visible in here. You can see that it's invisible. There's 17 found, 50 directory search. So they're really far down on as far as ranking organically on that thing. And index, they're not listing for 218 different things. Local pages is gone. So let me just get in different things. So on site, they're at a 63 score here with all these different content. We'll get into some other ones here where it says lawyer, Fargo, keyword, they're ranked 17th. Legal 24, legal advice 39. So you can see there's lots of room for improvements with this customer here as far as what we can get them to do organically. So what we do is we offer so it goes organically. We also want to throw some PPC there, just helps them rank up faster. But anywhere from 4 to 5 months, you'll start seeing results. We start moving up to that top of search on that. So like I said, we just go through to a full breakdown. I just want to kind of just go through this so you guys get an idea kind of what we offer as far as that stuff goes. You can see here with these keywords, attorney, Fargo, they're not showing up at all. Their competitors are ranking #1, virtually on the number of searches per month that's coming in here. So you can see here the difficulty and how much it is. And then we'll get into the maps. We can see, I'll show you this heat map here as well that we can go through this. It just gives you a nice little snippet of what it all keeps track of on this full report. This one here is 52 pages long where it breaks down into this report and everything like that. So you can see here offsite backlinks that's missing. You can see the top backlinks that are on here, gives you a breakdown of that. And then we'll get into what's all claimed. So they got their Google business, everything's claimed on here. Could use some more photos in there, but everything else is claimed. So we know they have a Google business page. And then this shows their Google business page and what they have on there, on what they're ranking for and everything like that. And then this will go show their competitors and everything that go in there, where they're showing up. Lawyer, Fargo, where they're not even showing up on there. Fremstead, you got SW and L attorneys. That's the one that was competitor that we pulled up there as a side by side. And then you get into lawyer, no keywords found on any of those for full. Then you can see the heat map here where they're way outside there. So this takes a nice grid of the Fargo Moorhead area where we're looking here, and you can see they got 4, 2, 1, and then we can click on there. It'll show us these keywords on everything and how they're way behind as far as average position on these keywords that we go into with the grid. So like I said, this is tonight's snapshot, and then this shows all the local directories that they're showing up in. So you can see a lot of these are missing in here. There's no photos. Then we'll get farther down here. No listing found on any of these other platforms at all. This is a lot of room for improvement on there that we could definitely help these guys out with and get them as a potential customer. So if your local business is looking for somebody to help you guys rank organically on Google with SEO and PPC, definitely reach out to us. We do a free audit. We can show how we can help you guys optimize your Google ads and ranking #1 on the Google spectrum. So thanks for watching and hope you guys have a great day.